I'm here to talk to Ryan Kibner about what every yard here in Phoenix needs. Ryan, by the way, is from Adaptive. You can introduce yourself.
Yeah, my company is called Adaptive Plant Healthcare Solutions, and we just solve problems for the landscape.
Yeah, and so we were, going over like some of the issues that we've been running into. Obviously, with a lot of heat going on, we had record heat yesterday, and so here in the Phoenix area, plants in our landscape gets really stressed. And we were talking about something that just really he noticed benefits a lot of landscapes here in the valley. Why don't you kind of explain what it is and what you've discovered?
What's really common in this market right now is high pH. Well, the soils in Phoenix are high pH, high salt, and low organic matter. We came up with a process to sort of just flush the soil with salts. And by doing that, it unlocks everything, all the nutrition up, and it's available to the plant. So by doing a quick 3-step process in one mix, we can unlock the salts, unlock the soil, and then open everything up and make your plants and your turf thrive.
So that's awesome. But what you're discovering is when you do this flush, what ends up happening with the existing nutrients? Is that kind of where a lot of this like really steps up? And then you were showing me a picture, and we'll add a before and after picture of you were treating a tree on a property, and not only the tree but the turf and everything just improved over 3 weeks. Explain kind of the process of what's going on with this picture.
When you've got alkaline soils, all the nutrition is just locked up in the plants that's not available. Like you think about your body has a hard time absorbing, say, vitamin C above 500 milligrams. So by taking vitamin C intravenously, you can sort of bypass the system and makes it bioavailable to your body. In the situation for landscaping, if we can unlock all the salts that are sitting in, all the nutrition that are locked up by salts, we can actually free those the nutrients up, and then makes that available to the plant. And so the plant will thrive from that unlocking.
Yeah, so I almost feel like it's kind of like if you had a water softener at your home. They say that if you don't have a water softener and then you use soaps over the years, like there's soap in your clothes that when you get a water softener, it actually pulls the soap out of your clothes, and you actually don't even need to use soap like your first wash when you start using it. It kind of sounds similar to that, where it's like there's actually existing nutrients out there that our plants aren't using because of the imbalance of the pH.
Yeah,
correct?
The high pH and high salt, things are just sitting there. They're not available to the plant. And so by doing this process, we can actually just make everything available to it, and the plant will uptake it and absorb it.
And this is something affordable that somebody can do to their entire property. And like I said, I'm going to show a before and after picture so you kind of see literally in 3 weeks what a property looked like. It changes by doing this application. It's something that's not normally done here in the valley. It's kind of a newer thing that you guys are kind of doing here.
Yeah, I think people, they just want to throw down more fertilizer. So they think the solution is more water, more fertilizer. But really, it might not be any of that. It might just be using different acids to lower pH and, again, make those salts just available to the plant so the plant can absorb and thrive in this environment.
All right. And what's this service called exactly?
It's the adaptive acid flush.
Okay. So, and what's an average? Let's say I have a home that's like a 9,000 square foot lot with a house that's like 2,500 square foot on the house.
Probably $125, $150.
Yeah. So this is an affordable service. It's not very costly. It's just probably more about the application really than the cost of the material. Mm-hmm. And so, and obviously when you're there, you probably pick up and recognize other, issues maybe at the yard. You can talk about Adaptive and what other things you guys do as well.
Yeah, we're really a science-based company that's focusing on trying to solve the problems that we face in Phoenix right now. So if you think about the soil temperature right now, it's average about 8 to 10 degrees warmer today against a 5 and 10 year average. And we don't get rain. We saw all winter this last year. We had no rain for 4 months. And so what happens is everything really gets stressed out. So we just have these different services that we can actually improve the utilization of water in the soil profile, use products that actually will draw water to the root zone and really maximize it. And so I think what happens a lot of times in this market is people, they play catch up. So they don't water enough in the spring, early summer, and then they throw a bunch of it in the later summer, and that water is just getting wasted because the plants are just shut down. And the key is really focusing on the front end and really watering ahead of the cycle so the trees don't even get to that stress state.
Awesome. So how would you say somebody, if they wanted to learn more or get a hold of you guys, how would they do that?
Yeah, our website is adaptivephs.com. Again, that's adaptivephs.com, or call us at 602-777-7764.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for sharing, your knowledge here. You've been very helpful for me personally. I do appreciate all the advice that you give me. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at AMS Landscaping at azlawns.com, or just follow us, subscribe to our channels at AMS Landscaping on YouTube or Facebook, or follow us on Instagram or X, formerly as Twitter, at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.